In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a booking on Calendly. Whether you've accidentally scheduled a meeting on the wrong date or something came up, knowing how to cancel a booking can save you from potential scheduling hassles. We'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you understand everything clearly. First, you'll want to start from your Calendly homepage. Once you're logged in, take a look at the interface. You'll notice a menu on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll find several navigation options. Focus your attention on the Meetings section. Go ahead and click on it. This section is your gateway to all your scheduled meetings and any other scheduling tasks you may need. Now that you're in the Meetings area, start scanning for the specific meeting you intend to cancel. You should see a list of meetings along with some basic details like the date, time, and participants involved. Go ahead and find the meeting you wish to cancel and click on the Details option for that particular meeting. This will bring up a more comprehensive view of the meeting, providing you with everything you need to know, right down to whether you've attached that all-important file. Once details are in sight, look for the option that allows you to cancel the meeting. It's typically displayed prominently to ensure you don't waste time searching. When you find it, click on it. While this click does initiate the cancellation process, remember, it's not the final step just yet. After clicking Cancel, a pop-up message will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is critical because it ensures you're absolutely sure about canceling. Sometimes we make mistakes or change our minds, and this step gives you the opportunity to reconsider. If you're sure you want to proceed, you'll need to click on the Yes Cancel button within the pop-up message. It's this click that finalizes the cancellation and updates your Calendly schedule accordingly, so there are no lingering meetings in your timeline. That's it. Your meeting is now canceled. No further action is needed on your part. Remember, keeping your scheduling accurate is essential for efficiency and professionalism, so regularly checking and updating your appointments on Calendly can minimize scheduling mishaps. Thanks for joining me in today's walkthrough. Make sure to subscribe for more handy guides like this one.